Hello viewers, welcome to Namma Science Galata channel. We are going to check some interesting facts about the two recently approved vaccines which are going to hit Indian market soon. In this video, we will compare the important aspects of UK based vaccine COVISHIELD and the Indian based vaccine COVAXIN. COVISHIELD vaccine was made by Oxford Astrazeneca and produced in India by the Serum Institute India, while COVAXIN is a homegrown vaccine proudly prepared by Bharat Biotech in association with ICMR and National Institute of Virology India. In the race for vaccine, it is indeed a proud moment for Indians as our Indian made vaccine is one among them. Before making any verdict, let us look into the real facts behind these two vaccines. Let us discuss the technological aspects of these two vaccines. As you are well aware, the COVISHIELD is an adenovirus based vaccine. The COVID-2 spike protein genetic material is incorporated into the adenovirus to induce immunity against the coronavirus. On the other hand, COVAXIN consists of an inactivated coronavirus which is replication defective and capable of eliciting only the immune reaction without actually inducing any of the COVID-19 symptoms. The next thing we'll check is the trials and efficacy details. COVISHIELD has shown a final efficacy of 70.42% with the clinical trials done in 23,745 individuals abroad. Please note that it is not done in Indian population. Only these results are based on phase 2 trials. And in India, they have tested only 1,600 individuals. Whereas, in case of COVAXIN, the efficacy is not clearly stated. The report merely says that the vaccine is safe and effective after phase 2 clinical trials. Moreover, the report also says that they have planned to register 22,500 participants for phase 3 clinical trials. But unfortunately, the number of participants to volunteer the clinical trials is very little. Let us see the next aspect, the cost of the vaccine. The UK based COVISHIELD costs around 440 rupees per person for 2 doses if it is purchased from the government stores, and up to a maximum of 800 rupees if it is purchased in private stores. On the other hand, COVAXIN, the Indian made vaccine, will be available for 100 rupees. Next, we will be looking at the validation of the COVISHIELD vaccine. In phase 3 clinical trials, it is really shocking to see that the vaccine is ready to administer while they are still waiting while they still have to wait for 3 months to obtain their primary results from the phase 3 clinical trials. As you can see from this report, the study is getting completed by March 23rd, 2021, but the vaccine has got approval on December 30th, 2020. So, what do you think about this scenario? Please comment in the comment section. When I tried to get the validation for COVAXIN, it was still shocking for me. Although COVAXIN is a pride of India, it still lacks some scientific validation regarding the efficacy and safety. The results of phase 3 trials are not publicly available, and importantly, the results from phase 1 and 2 are published in a non-peer reviewed journal, which again questions the credibility of the Indian made vaccine. Yes, there are several regulatory bodies and clinical doctors are still opposing, and they are trying to asked the government to ban or cancel the approval given to this Bharat Biotech's COVAXIN due to the lack of scientific validation. To summarize, the UK based vaccine has completed most of the trials and are at the verge of completing all the required formalities to become a legal vaccine. But COVAXIN, the Indian vaccine, has so many gaps and concealed information which questions its suitability for immediate use on the common public. So, friends, given the merits and demerits of these two vaccines, it is very clear that although the Covishield is waiting for their phase 3 trial results, it clearly surpasses the Indian made vaccine. I hope this video brought you some useful information on the vaccines that are to be launched in India soon. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.